Spirit haul. So I got these, and I'm so excited to see what I got. So we're gonna do this one first because I even started opening it because I was just so excited. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, Hocus Pocus next. Yay. So exciting. And then I also had to get the cups, so I gotta show you the cup. So of course, Beetlejuice. My Nightmare Before Christmas Oogie Boogie. I haven't seen this one yet, so I was super excited. Haunted Mansion, Foolish Mortal. Can never go wrong with this. Then Hocus Pocus, Dost Thou Comprehend? And Sanderson Sisters. Then I got